How to crossfade songs on Spotify computer, guys. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you guys can crossfade your songs on Spotify computer or PC. So with that being said, let's just head on right in with the video. So what you're gonna want to go ahead and do is click your profile icon and make sure you guys head over to settings. From here, make your way all the way down until you find playback. Now there should be an option here that says crossfade songs. You're gonna want to go ahead and tick this on. Now you can actually go ahead and adjust the crossfade of these songs. So all you have to do is adjust it to your liking, whether you wanted 10 seconds, 12 seconds, or a few seconds short, right? So just adjust it to your liking and it should be good from there on. So basically once you actually enable it and actually do your little preference here, it should now be enabled and you will now be able to crossfade your music. So it's very simple, it's very easy, guys, and hopefully you found this helpful. But with that being said, if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.